Issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:30 a.m. At 11:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles southwest of Joliet to 47 nautical miles south of Aurora, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 35 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Saturday, which includes the following counties. A tornado warning